The Automotive welcomes viewers with a focus on understanding vehicles. The channel's core philosophy centers on in-depth automotive knowledge. The emphasis is placed on comprehensive understanding rather than superficial aspects. The channel aims to provide accessible and technologically sophisticated content. Animated automotive schematics visually reinforce the channel's commitment to technical understanding. The engine's crankshaft is the primary component for initiating rotational motion. The spinning crankshaft generates the initial rotational force within the engine. This rotation is the fundamental power source for the entire drivetrain system. The drivetrain relies on the crankshaft's rotation to transmit power to the wheels. The clutch assembly is a mechanical component that facilitates the transfer of power. It connects and disconnects the engine from the transmission system. The key components of a clutch assembly include the clutch disc. The pressure plate is another essential component. The flywheel is also an important part of the clutch assembly. These components work in coordination to control power flow. Pressing the clutch pedal initiates the disengagement process. This action activates a mechanical linkage within the clutch system. The linkage separates the clutch disc from the engine's flywheel. This separation interrupts the transmission of power from the engine to the wheels. The transmission input shaft is connected to the engine via the clutch. When the clutch is disengaged, the connection between the engine and transmission is severed. This disengagement allows the transmission input shaft to rotate freely. The input shaft spins independently of the engine's rotation. In the neutral position, the vehicle's transmission is disengaged. No gears are actively connected within the transmission system. The input shaft, driven by the engine, spins freely without transferring power. Consequently, the output shaft, which connects to the wheels, remains stationary. This state prevents the engine's power from reaching the drive wheels. The neutral position is essential for idling, starting the engine, or towing. Selecting first gear in a vehicle initiates a specific gear engagement within the transmission system. This engagement involves the meshing of a particular set of gears. The primary purpose of this gear selection is to modify the torque output. First gear also alters the speed ratio between the engine and the wheels. This results in higher torque and lower speed, suitable for initial acceleration or climbing steep inclines. Gear ratios are fundamental in mechanical systems, influencing both speed and torque. Different gear ratios provide varying levels of torque and speed output. A higher gear ratio increases torque, which is useful for acceleration or climbing. Conversely, a lower gear ratio increases speed, suitable for maintaining higher velocities. The selection of a gear ratio is optimized based on specific driving conditions or operational needs. Therefore, gear ratios are essential for adapting mechanical power to different requirements. Synchro rings are components used in manual transmissions. Their primary function is to synchronize the speeds of gears before they engage. This synchronization ensures smooth and seamless gear changes. By matching gear speeds, synchro rings prevent grinding during gear shifts. This contributes to a more comfortable and efficient driving experience. Upshifting involves transitioning to a higher gear ratio in the transmission. The process begins with the driver disengaging the clutch. Next, the driver selects the next higher gear using the gear shift lever. Finally, the driver re-engages the clutch to transmit power through the new gear ratio. Downshifting involves shifting to a lower gear to increase engine speed relative to wheel speed. This is typically done to gain more power or control, especially when slowing down or climbing hills. A critical aspect of downshifting is matching the engine speed to the speed required by the lower gear. Proper engine speed matching prevents abrupt jerking or loss of vehicle control during the gear change. This synchronization is often achieved through techniques like rev matching or using the clutch effectively. Mastering downshifting technique enhances driving smoothness and overall vehicle control. The output shaft is a crucial component of a transmission system. It functions to transfer the adjusted power from the transmission. The output shaft also delivers torque to the drive shaft. This transfer of power and torque enables the vehicle to move. The drive shaft is a mechanical component in a vehicle's drivetrain. Its primary function is to transmit torque. The torque is transferred from the transmission. It is transmitted to the differential. This rotational force enables the wheels to turn. The drive shaft is a crucial link in the power delivery system. A differential is a mechanical component in vehicles that allows wheels to rotate at different speeds. This function is crucial when the vehicle is turning. During a turn, the outer wheels must travel a greater distance than the inner wheels. The differential enables this difference in speed, improving vehicle handling and stability. The wheels are the final component in the vehicle's drivetrain. They are responsible for translating rotational force into linear motion. The differential transmits power to the wheels. This power causes the wheels to rotate. The rotation of the wheels propels the vehicle forward. The clutch plate is subject to wear and tear during normal operation. Friction between the clutch plate and flywheel causes gradual material loss. This wear reduces the clutch plate's thickness and effectiveness. Reduced thickness diminishes the clutch's ability to properly engage and disengage. Eventually, the worn clutch plate requires replacement to restore proper function. The animation visualizes the complete system involved in a gear change. It begins with the engine as the power source. The animation then traces the power flow from the engine to the transmission. The gear change mechanism within the transmission is clearly illustrated. The animation highlights the interaction of all components during the shift. Finally, the power is shown transferring from the transmission to the wheels, resulting in a change in vehicle speed or torque.